Hi everyone, this is Carolina here, and today I want to talk to you about a new Google Chrome update where it has a built-in QR code generator. So all you do to access that, you're going to go here to a URL, you're going to click here, and you're going to see this on the right. You're going to click on it, and there is your code. So for example, if you have a presentation you want to share with your students, all you would do is go here, and they can access it just by going to their phone and either using a QR code generator app, or you can actually they could just go to their app to take a photo and in their camera, and it will pop up. It's very simple. Now you can also download this so you can get the image for it. So once you download it, just click here. You open it up. You right click, copy, or Control C. And you can just paste it wherever you want to use it. So if you wanted to print this out and use it to put it up somewhere, you can do that. And again, this works for any website. So for example, here I have my daily attendance and I want kids maybe to access it really quickly on their phone. I would just click that and there's like a QR code. Or the same if I wanted to share my YouTube channel, same thing. Here's the code. Um, So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to join. I have a Facebook group. You can get to it. The links are up here on my YouTube channel. I also started on Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, feel free to do so. All right, guys. I will see you later.